Welcome to the KS2 Singing Assembly. Let's start by warming our voices up. Copy me. Sing, get that sound. Sing, 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 sing. I can sing. I can sing anything, anything. Ya, 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 blah, 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 blah. Okay, we are warmed up. Right, today, because we've been doing quite a lot of big, energetic, lively songs, we're going to do an old English folk song from Northumberland. This song is called Blow the Wind Southerly, and it's very gentle and beautiful, but that doesn't mean that you don't need lots and lots of breath to sing it. Actually, the quieter you sing, the more you need to control the breath that's coming up from your diaphragm, being pushed up through your lungs. It's like a fountain of water, and the water is holding a little table tennis ball on the top and bouncing it on the top of the water. If you take the power of the water weight, the table tennis ball will fall. And it's the same with singing. If you sing loudly, la, it's easy to get lots of air coming out, blumph, easy. But when you're singing quietly, la, if you want that sound to keep spreading out and not just go la and fall over, you need to keep the breath going. So have a listen to this song, and then we'll all sing it through. You've got the lyrics in front of you, hopefully, so once you've heard the first verse and the first chorus, you might think, I'd like to have a go at joining in. Feel free to join in. If you know this song, join in straight away. Here we go. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the wind south o'er the bonny blue sea. Blow the wind southerly. Now, there are a couple of words in there that we're probably not so familiar with. You might know that bonny means beautiful. You probably don't know that barque is an old-fashioned word for a ship, a sailing ship. And this song is all about sailing ships, because this is the story of a young woman standing on the side of the quay, the wall that is where the boats will come into the harbour, and is looking to see if the ship with her true love, the person that she loves, is on that ship, and she's hoping for that ship to come in safely, but she can't see it. It hasn't arrived yet. And also, there's a little phrase, they told me last night there were ships in the offing. In the offing means expected. There were ships expected. So, oh yes, the ships ought to be coming in tonight. So she's run down to the harbour to see if she can see her ship on the horizon, but she can't see it. And so she's singing to the wind, telling the wind to blow, to fill the sails with wind and bring them quickly, so that they can push the boat back into the harbour, bring her true love home to her. It's a very sweet song. It's apparently very old, but this version of it was written down about 150 years ago. The Victorians were very keen on collecting old folk songs and making arrangements of them. So there you go. So let's also do some signs for our chorus. So blow, blow. Can you do that? Blow. So we're going to sing blow the wind and then boop, boop, southerly, going south. Okay? So the south winds are going to be really kind and going to bring the ship back. Probably the ship has been out fishing, if this is a Northumberland folk song. So blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the wind south. Oh, the bonny. Now bonny is that word for beautiful. So beautiful, beautiful, blue, like a blue vein in your hand, blue sea. Hopefully a nice gentle sea. Okay? Let's try that again. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the wind south, or the bonny blue sea. So each time we get that bit, we're going to do that. And then the second time, blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow, bonny breeze, my true love to me. Okay? Right, let's have a go at the chorus. This is the introduction, 4 bars, and there we go. Breathe. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the wind south, oh the bonny blue sea. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Haven't I? Let's stop there. So, blow bonny breeze, my true love to me. Got a bit too much to think about with all this. Okay, let's have another go. See if I can get it right. I bet you can get it right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Good stuff. Right. The next bit. It's quite high, this. They told me last night there were ships in the offing. And when we're singing like that, we keep that smile going because, do you remember? It opens up the space inside your mouth. Here are your teeth. So it opens up the space inside your mouth when you smile. Okay? Or you can imagine that ball of light going into your mouth. Big surprise. Anything like that. Keep that smile going because that will help you to sing high. Okay. My turn, your turn. They told me last night there were ships in the offing. Your turn. 1, 2. They told me last night there were ships in the offing. Good. Now this next line. And I hurried down to sea. And we want to take that word sea into the next line. I'll show you. And I hurried down to the deep rolling sea, but my eye. So if we're going to do that, we are going to take a deep breath in the middle of the line before. So, and I hurried down, breathe, to the deep rolling sea. Now the word sea, I am going to sing S-I. I'm going to sing si, because I want to keep that really open. See, and I keep that shape. See, but my. So all the way from see to but my, I'm trying to keep that I shape in my face, because that's really going to help me to join those two lines. Let's have a go at so and I hurried down to the deep rolling sea, but my eye. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. And I hurried down to the deep rolling sea, but my eye could... Okay, it's hard, isn't it? Okay, you've got to take a deep, deep breath. Deep rolling sea, but my eye... Now, I am not singing I am singing ah. I am singing ah as big as I can. Deep rolling sea, but my eye could not... I mean, you know, as big as you can, sing, but my ah could not see it, because it will sound like I promise, I absolutely promise, okay? Let's go from I hurried down to the deep rolling sea. Sitting up, big breaths. I hurried down to the deep rolling sea, but my eye could not see it. Good. Let's try going from the beginning of the verse and see if we can get right through the verse, okay? They told me last night. They told me last night there were ships in the offing, and I hurried down to the deep rolling sea, but my eye could not see it, no matter where be it, the barque that is bearing my true love to me. How did you do? Okay, let's try and see if we can sing verse 1 and verse 2. Okay, verse 1 and verse 2. Chorus and verse 1. Come on, Mrs. Grayson, concentrate. Right, from the beginning, the chorus, and then into that verse. And then let's see if we can do the chorus again. That would be nice. Here we go. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the wind south o'er the bonny blue sea. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the bay breeze, my true love to me. They told me last night there were ships in the offing, and I hurried down to the deep rolling sea, but my eye could not see it, wherever might be it, the barque that is bearing my true love to me. Breathe. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow the wind south o'er the bonny blue sea. Blow the wind southerly, southerly, southerly. Blow, bonny breeze, my true love to me. Right, we'll have another go at this next time. See you then.